the exercise. Area of a trapezium. So this chapter will have all questions which are related to area of trapezium. So how do you calculate the area of trapezium? Suppose this side is A and this side is B, and we have a perpendicular. Perpendicular, as I said, can be measured anywhere, right? And this perpendicular's value is H. Then the area of the trapezium is given as half into sum of the parallel sides into the perpendicular area, perpendicular distance between them. Okay? And we now start doing our problems. So let's pick up some problems which are really interesting ones. And let's say we come down to page number 206 and we look at example 6. 206 and we look at example 6. Now example 6 is a very stylish problem. Let's have a look at that. That's like a photo frame that we have in our houses. So let's first see what is the diagram and how does a trapezium get carved out of that. So this is our typically example 6. This is like a photo frame. Okay, bacha? This is a photo frame. Now, if you see a photo frame, then the pieces of wood that we use to make a photo frame will be actually joined in this manner. Have you understood? Can you now, with your eyes, can you actually figure out the trapeziums? I see 4 trapeziums in which 2 different shapes and 2 are repeated. The bottom portion of the wood and the top portion of the wood are the same trapeziums. Agreed or not? And the sides are the same. Suppose somebody asks us, find the overall area. I should just concentrate on finding one area of this, multiply, add both of them and multiply by 2. Have you understood? So let's look at this question. And it says that the frames are having outer dimension 28 into 32. Now see, look at the beautiful thing. The outer dimension. Now let's see the outer dimension. This is the outer dimension. The outer dimension is 28 into 32. So 28 is being multiplied by 32. Have you understood? Okay. And let's have a look at the inner dimension. 28 being multiplied by 32. And the inner dimensions are 20 into 24. The inner dimensions are 20 multiplied by 24. So one thing that we get from here, look at the trick. 28 minus 20 is how much? 4. That 4 is distributed on either sides. That's the perpendicular. So for this trapezium, what is the perpendicular? 4. And if the photo frame is to be uniform, this side also we should get 4. Exactly. 20. So this side is 32 and this side is how much? 24. 38 minus 24 is how much? 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. That means this much portion is also 4 and same as this much portion is also 4. So just take, let's just take this trapezium, okay? Let's just take this trapezium now. Are you in a position to find its area? Whoa, why not? We are in a position to find its area. The area of this bottom trapezium will be half into sum of the parallel sides. So the parallel sides are how much? 20 plus 28 multiplied by the perpendicular distance, which is 4. Did you understand this part? This type of, how many trapeziums we have? 2 trapeziums. Agreed? And with this we add up what? We will be adding up this trapezium, which is half into sum of the parallel sides, 32 plus 24 multiplied by the perpendicular distance between them. Now, in order to make your calculation easier, half and 2, so these two cancel each other, see? This half and this 2 also cancel each other. So you're just going to multiply, you're going to add them and add them. So that's it, done. So easy. Did you understand this? So every problem here is application based. You need to know the area of trapezium and then you need to understand the problem and find whether there is a trapezium or not. If you are able to locate your trapezium, your first job would be to locate every dimension that contributes to the area, and they will all be hidden to you in some trick. So you have to unveil every one information and then formulate your information and solve the problem. Any questions? Which one?
32 plus 24 into 4.
Why 32 plus 22 into 4? Oh, the height is, sorry. The height is 4. Yeah, I forgot that. Very sorry. And then, no, 1 minute. Huh? There's a other mistake that happened. This into 4, half into sum of the parallel sides, 1 minute. Huh, bacha? Very, very nice. And then this whole thing will be multiplied by 2. So this half has cancelled out this half. So you multiply by 4 and you get your answer. Have you understood how to do this? Okay, let's take up some problems. Say suppose where the figure is not given and we will construct the figure. Okay, so let's see one more problem. First question says, I'll just roughly do it. Okay, the first question says find the area of a trapezium. So I have a trapezium. Look here, whose parallel sides are 24 and 20 and the distance between them is 15. You can find the area. Very easy. Okay, next, find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are some in point and it's 16. So next problem is also same type. Okay, now next, the shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. If its parallel sides are blah blah and the distance between them is this, you can find the area. That is also very easy. Fourth is reverse. Area of the trapezium is given, length of its parallel sides are 50, 55, find the distance between them. Now this is reverse. Have you understood fourth? So I want you to do fourth problem first. 1, 2, 3, 4 we have discussed. Kindly do question number 4 and question number 3. 1 and 2 you can do at home. 4 and 3. Question number 4 and question number 3. If anyone has any issue, please do not hesitate. Ask me, I'll explain you. Right now I want you to do 4 and 3. Charvik, understood? Ekaksh, have you understood 4? Yeah, do 4 and 3. Do number 4 first. In number 4, we are already given a trapezium whose area is given. Only the unknown height has to be taken out. (55) and 35. This is 35. Sorry. This is 55 beta. This is 35. Area is given. You have to find out this height. That's very easy. Aa raha hai, Babu?
Yes, sir, I made the unit question. Eighth question.
8th question में क्या है? ये वही है ना, परपेंडिकुलर वाला ना?
हाँ, 8th question.
हाँ, बोलो तो क्या है ये? हाँ, क्या है? हाँ, हाँ, one of the parallel side is twice the other. हाँ,
If the area of the field is 9,150 meters square,
हाँ,
and the perpendicular between the parallel sides is 84 meters, find the length of the
एरिया कितना है? एरिया
area is 9,450.
400 450.
9450. Find the length of the longer parallel side. 84.
ए चुप, इतना देर नहीं किया ना, अभी एकदम टटर टटर मत करो. फिर बात करता है, फिर बात करता है. Now 2 1 2 5 2 1 115 15. Sorry, 2 1 2 1 11 2 5 10 2 7 14 110 12, 12 on 13, 18. 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 1 and then it's 525. So just divide it, you get the value of A. What is the value of A? So what is this value? 9450. ये जरा देखो तो मैं गलती तो नहीं किया? 242. Then this is 3A into 42. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 115, 3 5s are 0. So 3150 divided by 42. 3150 divided by 42. So 2 means this will be, this will be 21. Yeah, galti ho gaya. That's why this is coming nonsense. I did a mistake here. Not feeling good here. This is how much? 21. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 1 5, 3 5s are 15. 7 7s are 49, 50, 51, 52, 7 5s are 35, 75. This is 75, this is 150. Oh yeah, did you understand? That's very good. Yeah. Further? Ninth one is what? Ninth one you do like this. You break it up into a rectangle. This one is how much? This one is 42. So this is 42. This becomes 12, which is 54. And this side is how much? How much is this side? Abhigya, how much was this side? Right there.
19.
Huh?
19.
19. So the perimeter is given. Perimeter is 42, 19 and 54. If we add that, we get how much? 115. And 130 is the perimeter. If you take out 115, you get how much? 15. So this side is 15. Have you understood? Now you can find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle will be how much? 42 into 15. And with this you will add area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is how much? Half into 12 into 15. Half into 12 into 15. So you can take 15 common from both sides. 42 plus, this is another 6. So this is 48 into 15. So 15 8s are 105, 15 8s are 120, 0, 12 carry over, 15 4s are 60 plus 12, 72. 720 meters square. Did you understand? Fine. So has your answer come out? Has that angle wala answer come out? So all done. Number 11 is also very easy. 12 you need not do. Can we break then? Which one anyone has been unable to do? I can show you so that you can do the rest. You can finish it at your home. Which question you want me to do? 10th one. 10th one is easy. 10th one is something like this. 10th one is, they have asked you to find out what? The area. What is the measurements? Can you tell me? Abhigya, how much is this one?
40.
How much is this one?
40.
40. This is 90 degree. This measurement is? This measurement is not there, not required also. So we just need this measurement. How to find this measurement? This is a right angle triangle. So if you take this as x square plus 40 square should be equal to 41 square. So x square should be equal to 41 square minus 40 square. If you do this, this is 41 plus 40 into 41 minus 40. This is an easy way to do. So this is 81 multiplied by 1. So x becomes root of 81, which is equal to 9. So this is 9. Now you are able to do the area. Half into sum of the parallel sides. Which one you found out? After that, you have to find the area. Start thinking, my dear boy. After that, it's the parallel sum of the parallel sides into perpendicular distance. Just because they drew one extra line, you got confused. Now, if I'm at your place now, I will go home and do this exercise properly. That's the difference between a child who scores and who doesn't score. You will leave it now. You will not do. हो गया ये क्वेश्चन. इसमें ये देखो मत ना अभी. Just see this. It's so easy to do. Have you understood or not? Now you just think it like a trapezium like this. You know the value of this. You know the value of this. You know the value of this. What is stopping you from finding out the area? Just because one extra line is drawn? Pakka CBSE bachcha. Yes. What else? 11th, what is the question? Okay, 20 and 10. This is 11th.
Non-parallel sides are both equal, each being 13.
Each being?
13.
13 and 13. So do one thing, make it like a parallelogram. So if this is 10, this is also 10. This is 13, this is 13. And this should be how much? 10. Is this an isosceles triangle? 13, 13, yeah. Isosceles.
Yeah.
This is an isosceles triangle. Right? Parallelogram area we don't know because we don't know the height. In an isosceles triangle, the perpendicular always divides the base. This is also a class 9 problem actually. So this should be how much? 5. This should be 5. Now look at this triangle. This is 13 and this is 5. Will we get the value of this? Yes, very nice. So that value would be 13 square minus 5 square. 169 minus 25, which is equal to 5 and 9, 4, 4. 144's root, which is equal to 12. So this will come out as 12. Now you have a triangle whose altitude you know. You have a parallelogram also whose altitude you know. So what should be the area for the parallelogram? Base into the altitude 12. And for the triangle, base. This was 20, out of which 10 you have carved out. So half into 10 into 12. फ्यूज ना नहीं आएगा ना समझ में, क्योंकि आप लोग क्या करते हैं, आप लोग इसलिए मैं बोलता हूं, आप लोग किसी चीज को समझने की कोशिश में आपका दिमाग वन ट्रैक माइंड है. आपको अगर थोड़ा सा घुमा के दे दें, आप लोग प्रॉब्लम फंस जाते हो. अभी देखो, अभी सब समझ में आएगा. इसको हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, एक पैरेललोग्राम बना ले रहे हैं ऐसे. This is isosceles. Do you agree or not? What is the top portion? 10. Then the bottom also becomes 10. How much are you left for this part? Another 10. Keep it in your pocket. What is the value of this? This should also be 13. And now drop the perpendicular. Since this is isosceles, the perpendicular will bisect. आपके पास कितना था? 10. Have you understood? Now, do you see it as a parallelogram and an isosceles triangle? Yes. What we need is the red measurement. How to get the red measurement? See, he is not interested to look at the board also. Look at him. Because this problem is not yours. So you will not look at the board. And when you go home, you will say, I did not understand this. Then parents will say, didn't you ask, sir? No, I did not ask. Because you all have no attention on the board. I'm not feeling well, but I could have ended this class. I'm still continuing for the sake of you. Now you don't look at the board. Now how to find out this? You take this as x and start applying what? Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? X square plus 5 square should give you 13 square. That means x square should be equal to square minus 5 square. The easy way to do it always is, always go like this. If you are trying to find out a smaller side, the smaller side is always equal to the hypotenuse, which is the bigger side, minus the other side, which is 5 square. 13 square is how much? 5 square is 25. This is 144. So your x value comes how much? 12. So we have got this value as 12. Now look at the parallelogram. What is the area of the parallelogram? The parallelogram's area will be the base multiplied by the height. Agreed? What is the area of the triangle? Half into base, which is 10. The base is not 5. The base is 10. The base is 10 into the altitude, this. Agreed? So 2 we can take out as 5. So this one comes how much? 120. This is 60. Add both. तभी ना मैथ्स खुलेगा. आपको क्या लगता है सिर्फ एक ट्रेपेजियम ड्रॉ करके आपको बोल देगा that in that you draw, then what mathematics did you do? You just did some addition and subtraction. This is how you do the problem. Even here also we can do some interesting calculation. Our calculation is 10 into 12 plus half into 10 into 12. Agreed? We can take 12 common. 10 plus half into 10. Agreed? Or 12 into 10 you can take common. Why are you doing this way? You can straight away take 12 into 10 common. 12 into 10 can be taken as common. 1 plus half. 1 plus half is how much? 1 and half. 1 and half is how much? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 12 into, sorry, 12 into 10. 2 6 are 12. 10 into 6 is 60. 60 into 3, 180. आप लोग रफ पेज लोगे, करोगे, इतना नहीं चाहिए. अगर मैं आपकी जगह पे हूं ना आज घर पे, I will go have my shower, have my lunch, I will watch a little bit of TV, but in the afternoon I will finish this entire exercise in fair manner. And wherever I get such problems, I will keep this. Whenever I do such problems, my chemistry sir in grade 12 used to say that whenever you get such problems, I will always take a red color pen and I'll mark like this. This is a special problem. In the exam, when my friend starts challenging me, I will say, "Tum bolne se hi hoga." How do I know it is this problem? I've marked it. I know it like the back of my hand. In this, you have to carve it into this. Then that perimeter wala problem, there also I'll make some cloud symbol like this. So that when I go for my exam, whether I see all problems or not, these two should not get missed out. And when my friend will challenge me, "No, Jaideep, you were wrong," I will say, "Don't bluff with me. I know this problem is on my book's left-hand side page and there is a cloud mark on it. That's my memory." And that's how you do problems. If that fire is inside you, you can do. And if you think still that I will not do, nothing goes from my pocket, you don't learn. Right? Chalo. Bye-bye, guys. Okay. Right, bye. Have a nice weekend, all of you. Or nahi hai beta.